it's Malak. This time we're going to be looking at Dreaming in Mech by Nivanh Chanthara. Hopefully that's remotely close to how you say his name. I'm really mad at myself. Kind of hate myself because this is an ArtStation publication, which is genius that they're doing this. I'm glad that they're finally doing it. Hopefully they keep doing it. Seems pretty successful. But there was a hardcover copy, and it sold out super fast, and I really wish I could have gotten that. I emailed them, and they were like, we're not going to reprint that for the foreseeable future. So I'm pretty mad I didn't get that. But still, the soft cover, I think the soft cover is what? Around 30. Hardcover was 40. Can't remember. Somewhere around that ballpark. Nothing crazy. The foreword is by 123 Clan, which, if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure is a pretty cool like graffiti artist, well, street artist kind of group or team. Maybe it's a person, but I'm pretty sure I've seen some of their stuff and it's like really polished. Yeah, and I've seen photos of Nivanh Chanthara doing graffiti, which is cool. And he works a ton on like illustration and movies. He's a badass. Nivanh has developed an entire futuristic universe where robots take the forefront, a universe where all elements, however small, plunge you into its post-apocalyptic story and provoke even more interpretations. He's got some IMDb credits. If you look him up, he's got crazy amazing work. I think maybe it was American Gods. I might be wrong. Kin, one of the Terminators. He's got a few. You should check him out. I think there's some that he's worked on that weren't even in IMDb. But yeah, definitely love to see this guy work in more video games too, because he's got a sweet style. Damn, that is just cool. Creepy Mech. I like Creepy Mech. Look at that guy. I like how he names him. And just the design is cool. I bet he had a... I wonder if he had a say in the design of this, because it does seem like his style. Does it say? Where does it say he designed this? Jimmy Mech. ArtStation Media, yeah, I don't know how much he had. There's this guy. He creates his own fonts. And he creates masks and like baseball bats. The design of the book makes me think of that guy also. Can't remember his name right now. Because it's kind of weird. I think it involves like numbers and stuff in it too. Little rocker mech. Dude, his work is crazy. I wonder if he has tutorials. I should look at his tutorials and see, like, what is he doing? Because this is some stuff that I'd be interested in eventually learning how to do. It's fleshy muscle mech. Walker mech. Bipod tank. Metal Gear. That guy looks pretty cool. I like these styles. I mean, his realistic style is super cool, but I love this illustrative style too. Yeah, these are sweet. those freaking legs, though. I imagine that thing running at you. That thing's kind of scary. The cheetah. Big guy. I love the way he names these two. If he's naming them, that's so cool. Contains armor. Movers with explosive charges. See applicable to you for complete instructions. God, these are all so cool. Mech from the favelas. Ooh, I gotta look up this guy's progress and like, not progress, process. See if he has any tutorials, because I mean, sometimes I see things I'm like, yeah, I'd like to take from that, but I'm looking at these and I'm like, I'd love to have a separate style that's very, very inspired by a lot of this. Anyone who follows my art can probably tell that I've done a lot of looking at manga and, you know, Kim Jung-gi, Ms. Jizu, Dongo Kim, Unique Lab. A lot of the members of Super Ani have really heavily inspired, and a lot of comics and manga artists. You know, that old True Love and romance novels. I actually did a lot of master copies of those early on. So I think I might start trying to look into doing master copies of these, especially as I get, you know, more digital tools. What? His little hands have faces too. They got little horns. I don't know if you can see it, but that's funny. So yeah, maybe I need to do some Chanthara master copies. It's kind of hammerhead. Mech thinker. Floating. This is the cover. These action poses are so cool too. Nice primary colors. Floating. Huh. I wonder if this guy's like taking masks from other he's like a scavenger, a parkour mercenary. It's cool. He's got a cloak. Ooh, DJ bot. I would like to meet and interview this guy at some point. I don't know if he speaks English. I don't really speak French. I took it in high school for like 2 years. I was like one of the best in class, but never got to use it, so it's not one I really know. But maybe with that foundation, I could eventually learn it pretty decent. The main thing is just being around people and like being there. That helps you learn it. Hopefully he speaks English and I could interview him. Or maybe one day my operation will be so big that I can pay for translators. That would be cool. And that's what like Proko and stuff does, I think, for the Super Ani artists from Korea. So it's possible. Maybe one day. Because yeah, I do look up to this guy and his art. Holy crap. Ooh. It's a pretty cool sword. Oscar the weirdo panda robot. Oh, he's funny. Tutorials. Ooh. Wonder if he has linked any videos or something. Photobashing technique. Oh, just how he's like placing his figures inside of photos. Block out the primary. It's like, you know, help me work more quickly within the free drawing. So Oh, the decals. So he's literally just slapping in decals and then And I hope there's a video for this somewhere. I have to look it up. Because that would be tutorials or like Skillshares that I would be willing to pay for. Day after day, I live to sleep, eat, and create graffiti. It's at the point in my life that I decided I would do everything I could to try to make a living doing what I love to do, drawing. Whoa, that really resonates with me. Ooh. Man, I want to meet this guy. Alright. The book, I'm still so freaking mad. You can get like a used hardcover, I think, for like $250, which I'm not at the point where I can do that right now. Hopefully they do another print, because even though I have this, I might sell the soft cover, and then buy the hardcover like right whenever they release it. Because man, I love this artist, love this book. Really want to meet this guy. Go and follow them on their social media. Dang. And subscribe, support the channel. So one day, hopefully I can meet Nivanh. Should probably learn how to say his name for sure before I actually like meet him if possible. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys were inspired and like as blown away as I was. The only thing about this book that I'm not a huge fan of is the fact that it's soft cover, but there is a hardcover. I just waited a little too long. Great book. Go and get the soft covers while they last so that they know that this is an in-demand book, and then do a hardcover release so I can get a hardcover. Thanks, guys. You all take care.
Yourself.